In a quiet town nestled between rolling hills and meandering rivers, there lived a rescue dog named Max. With fur as golden as the autumn leaves and eyes that held the wisdom of countless adventures, Max had once been a lost soul until fate led him to the local animal shelter. Max's journey began when a kind-hearted woman named Emily visited the shelter. She saw past the scars on Max's soulful eyes and recognized a spirit yearning for love. Emily, with a heart full of compassion, adopted Max, and their bond became an unbreakable thread that wove through the fabric of their lives. As Max settled into his new home, Emily discovered his incredible knack for sensing distress. Max became more than a pet, he became a guardian angel for those in need. One stormy night, as rain lashed against windows and thunder rumbled, Max's keen ears picked up a faint cry. Following his instinct, he led Emily to a dilapidated shed where a tiny, shivering kitten sought refuge. Word spread about Max's extraordinary abilities, and soon, he became a local hero. Whether it was finding a lost child in the woods or comforting an elderly neighbor in distress, Max was always there, his tail wagging, offering solace in his own silent way. One day, a massive storm hit the town, causing a river to swell and flood its banks. Emily, sensing the impending danger, gathered the townsfolk to evacuate. As they hurriedly moved to higher ground, Emily realized her elderly neighbor, Mr. Thompson, was missing. Without a second thought, Max darted back into the perilous waters. Guided by his unwavering determination, he reached Mr. Thompson's house, which was now surrounded by rising floodwaters. Barking and nudging, Max led the elderly man to safety, inch by inch, until they reached higher ground. The townspeople, witnessing this act of bravery, applauded Max as a local hero. The once rescued dog had transformed into a symbol of hope and courage. Emily, overwhelmed with pride and gratitude, realized that sometimes, those we rescue end up rescuing us in return. In the aftermath of the storm, Max's story spread far and wide. He became a therapy dog, bringing comfort to those affected by disasters. His impact reached beyond the town, inspiring others to adopt rescue animals, recognizing the extraordinary potential within each loving heart. And so, in that quiet town that had witnessed the resilience of a golden-furred hero, Max's legacy lived on. A reminder that sometimes, in the most unexpected places, we find our greatest companions and unsung heroes.